In today's rapidly evolving economy, creating wealth is no longer limited to traditional methods like accumulating savings or relying solely on fixed employment income. Modern wealth-building strategies involve a diverse portfolio of assets that work together to generate significant returns. Here, we explore 10 assets that are making people rich. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate continues to be one of the most reliable and lucrative investment opportunities, with the global market projected to grow from $4.05 trillion in 2024 to $7.28 trillion by 2032, reflecting a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 7.6%. Property investment offers numerous benefits, including long-term appreciation, passive income from rentals, and valuable tax advantages. Historically, real estate has shown an average annual appreciation rate of 4.8%, ensuring steady growth in asset value over time. Rental income remains a strong driver of returns, with single-family rental properties expected to yield an average annual gross return of 7.55% in 2024. This makes real estate an excellent source of consistent cash flow, especially in high-demand areas. Investors also benefit from tax deductions, including property depreciation, mortgage interest, and maintenance expenses, which can significantly boost net profits. Moreover, real estate acts as a hedge against inflation and adds diversity to investment portfolios, reducing overall financial risk. With the rise of real estate crowdfunding and real estate investment trusts, REITs, investing is now accessible to everyone, even with minimal upfront capital. Take the first step toward building generational wealth today. 2. Stock market investments. Stocks have historically been one of the most lucrative assets for wealth creation, with the global stock market valued at approximately $130 trillion as of 2024. Statista. Investors can earn through capital gains and dividends, both of which contribute to long-term wealth. Historically, major indices like the S&P 500 have provided an average annualized return of 7 to 10% over the past 50 years, consistently outperforming inflation and many other asset classes. One of the key advantages of stock investing is the power of compounding. When dividends are reinvested, the wealth can grow exponentially. For example, a $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 in 1980 would have grown to over $1.2 million by 2024, assuming dividends were reinvested. This highlights the significant impact compounding can have over time. Stocks also offer liquidity, meaning investors can quickly buy or sell shares, providing flexibility to respond to market changes. With the advent of brokerage platforms and apps, such as Robinhood and E-Trade, anyone can start investing with just a few dollars. For more diversified exposure, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds allow individuals to invest in a wide range of stocks, helping to minimize risk while maximizing potential returns. ETFs, for instance, have seen an increase in assets, with global ETF assets surpassing $12 trillion in 2024. BlackRock. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, the stock market offers a vast array of opportunities for wealth growth. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets have rapidly emerged as some of the fastest-growing wealth-building tools. The global cryptocurrency market reached a record high of $3.91 trillion in December 2024, driven by growing institutional adoption and favorable regulations. Bitcoin, for example, reached a new all-time high of 108,000 in late 2024, underlining its increasing mainstream acceptance. The blockchain technology that powers cryptocurrencies has transformed industries by offering transparency, decentralization, and efficiency. Blockchain allows for secure, peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, lowering costs and increasing accessibility, which is particularly appealing to both retail and institutional investors. Cryptocurrencies have also delivered significant returns on investment, ROI. with Bitcoin's value more than doubling in 24, driven by events like the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and positive regulatory news. The rapid growth and volatility of cryptocurrencies have created opportunities for early investors, but also come with risks. Digital assets provide a powerful way to diversify investment portfolios, offering a hedge against traditional financial markets and inflationary pressures. However, cryptocurrencies remain highly volatile, and investing in them requires a risk-tolerant mindset. 4. Entrepreneurship and business ownership. Entrepreneurship and business ownership remain among the most direct and effective paths to wealth creation. Entrepreneurs create value by solving problems, fulfilling needs, and driving innovation. In 2024, the U.S. saw a surge in new business formations, with an average of 430,000 new business applications per month, marking a 50% increase from previous years. One of the primary advantages of business ownership is scalability. Successful businesses can expand exponentially, leading to greater profits over time. In 2023, small businesses in the U.S. created 1.6 million net new jobs, with companies employing fewer than 20 workers generating 1.1 million net new jobs. Another significant benefit of business ownership is the accumulation of equity. Business owners build valuable equity in their companies, which can be sold for a profit or passed down to future generations. As of 2022, 14.6% of U.S. families owned some form of business equity, up from 13.4% in 2019. Entrepreneurs also enjoy tax advantages designed to encourage business growth. These benefits include deductions for operational expenses, capital investments, and other incentives to help small businesses thrive. With the rise of the digital economy, starting an online business or e-commerce store has become more accessible. By 2024, approximately 70% of small businesses had their own websites, underscoring the growing importance of an online presence. Entrepreneurship offers scalability, equity growth, and tax benefits, making it a powerful avenue for wealth creation. The rise in new business applications and online ventures highlights the dynamic opportunities available to entrepreneurs today. 5. Farmland and timberland. Investing in farmland and timberland presents a unique opportunity to combine stable income generation with long-term asset appreciation. Farmland produces revenue through the cultivation of crops or leasing the land to farmers, while timberland generates income through sustainable logging and the sale of timber products. The global demand for food and raw materials, coupled with the finite supply of arable land and forests, makes these investments increasingly attractive. The global farmland market was valued at $12.688 trillion in 2023 and is expected to grow at a 5.5% CAGR through 2028. Timberland also continues to see steady growth, with the global timberland market valued at $4.4 trillion in 2023 and projected to increase by 6.4% CAGR over the next 5 years. Farmland and timberland investments are also effective hedges against inflation and economic volatility. In 2024, farmland values in the U.S. increased by 8.4%, and timberland values rose by 5.1% year over year, reflecting the stability of these assets during uncertain times. These assets tend to remain stable or even rise during economic downturns, offering a reliable store of wealth. Notable investors like Bill Gates have strategically incorporated farmland into their portfolios, reinforcing its potential for steady growth and long-term wealth building. 6. Precious metals and commodities. Precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum have long been trusted assets for preserving wealth. In 2024, gold prices surged by about 20%, reaching record highs, driven by geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties. Silver saw a 29.6% increase, reflecting its role as both a store of value and industrial metal. Commodities such as oil, natural gas, and agricultural products also play a key role in wealth building. In 2024, the metals price index increased by 7.7%, with gold rising by 21.9%. Investors can gain exposure through direct ownership, ETFs, or commodity-focused mutual funds, offering flexibility and risk management. 7. Bonds and fixed income investments. Bonds provide a stable and predictable income stream, making them an essential asset for wealth preservation and growth. In 2024, the U.S. bond market saw issuance totaling $10.46 trillion, a 25.6% increase compared to the previous year. This surge highlights the growing demand for fixed income investments. The yield curve as of October 2024 showed a 10-year U.S. Treasury bond yield of 4.04% and a 2-year bond yield of 3.96%, indicating an inverted yield curve, often a signal of economic uncertainty. This inversion reflects investor expectations for slower economic growth in the near term. Bonds offer both diversification and a hedge against market volatility, making them a crucial component of a balanced investment strategy. Their predictable returns can ensure financial stability in uncertain times. 8. Education and skill development. While not a tangible asset, education and skills are among the most valuable tools for creating wealth. Investing in personal development can pay significant dividends, boosting earning potential, career advancement, and entrepreneurial success. Key areas of investment include formal education. Advanced degrees in fields such as technology, healthcare, or business can lead to lucrative career opportunities. For example, individuals with a master's degree in computer science earn an average of $115,000 annually in the U.S. skill-based training. Certifications in areas like technology, e.g. cloud computing, finance, e.g. CFA, or healthcare, e.g. nursing, dramatically increase employability, with many in-demand roles offering salaries exceeding $70,000 per year. Online learning platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning have made upskilling more accessible and affordable, allowing individuals to gain new skills and certifications without the constraints of traditional education. 9. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms. Peer-to-peer P2P lending allows individuals to lend money directly to borrowers through online platforms, bypassing traditional financial institutions. This model provides attractive returns by connecting investors with credit-worthy borrowers. The global P2P lending market is projected to grow from $143.54 billion in 2023 to $109.22 billion in 2024. Reflecting a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 32.5%. These platforms democratize investment opportunities, allowing individuals to diversify their portfolios and potentially achieve higher returns compared to traditional investment avenues. However, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence and understand the associated risks before investing. 10. Index funds and robo-advisors. Index funds and robo-advisors have democratized investing, enabling individuals to build wealth without requiring in-depth financial expertise. Index funds, which track the performance of specific market indices, have surged in popularity due to their low-cost structure and alignment with passive investment strategies. In 2024, U.S. exchange-traded funds, ETFs, a common vehicle for index funds, experienced a record $1.1 trillion in inflows, nearly doubling the previous year's figure. Wealth creation in the modern era is a dynamic and multifaceted endeavor. Success often lies in diversification, continuous learning, and adapting to changing economic conditions. By leveraging these 10 assets, individuals can set themselves on a path toward financial independence and long-term prosperity. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.